Oh man. Alright guys, I know you're waiting an update, so this is what happened. We went to fire it up, now it's outside. Went to go fire it up, and whenever I did, we had a code for a cylinder 3 injector basically not firing. It was a circuit code. Went and looked around, and somehow while changing stuff, the cylinder 3 injector wires had just barely stripped off just enough that they were touching. Well, bad news, just fixing the wires wasn't enough. Somehow, and this shouldn't happen, but somehow the PCM was fried on the cylinder 3 injector driver. So we have to get a new PCM. It took a couple weeks to get in. This one is from FS1, that's Flagship 1. Basically it's a reman unit, and it's supposed to be programmed ready to go stock. So we're gonna find out, we wanna swap that out. And Peep Outerwear's got us pre-filter, so we're not getting water in our supercharger and in our engine. So I'm gonna get that changed, and we'll find out how it works. All right, not too bad pulling that out. Just 3 little 8mm / Phillips head screws, 4 connectors. Be careful with those connectors. But we got it out. Turn the key on. It seems like it's happy at the moment. Haven't tried to start anything yet. I have a scan tool, so I'm gonna go ahead and turn the scan tool on and see if it's happy as far as with the modules and everything. I have a feeling we're gonna have something going on wrong, like the remote start maybe not work or something. But I'm gonna get this done. Then we have to tune it. Now I did return the other one back to stock, so then we have to tune it, and then we can start it. So I'm gonna get all that done, and hopefully it'll start. All right, so far so good. All the VIN and everything in it seems to match. Oh, I hit transmission, I didn't mean to do that. Back. I'm gonna go to code scan to see if we have any codes in this thing. Yeah, it's gonna have barometric sensor. That's our map sensor. It's out of range. That's not really any real issue right now. So it's doing that because it's got a 3-bar map sensor in it, and right now the stock tune's in it. So that looks good. I'm gonna go through some of this stuff and see if anything looks out of whack. But once we do that, I'm gonna tune it and then hopefully start it. All right, one more thing I want to show you guys. So before, when we would go to functional tests, which if I can click on it, that'd be great. When I would go to functional tests, injector number 3, and cycle the injector to test it, on number 3, I couldn't get it to cycle. You wouldn't hear it or anything, but now it definitely cycles. Yeah, I can hear it. You can't hear it on the video, I'm sure, but I can hear it cycling. I heard it earlier when I walked in front of the engine with this thing. So now I'm gonna go in here and look at some of the other stuff. Realistically, this thing should be, you know, stock. It's hopefully will still work with everything else, the remote start and all that. So I'm gonna tune it, and then we'll hopefully start it. All right, all that. Had to get a hold of Diablo Sport because the new PCM needed to be recalibrated with the tuner and everything, but it's all good to go now, and I am ready to start it. Cut out open? I think cut out open. Oh man. it is. I still got AC. Nice. Let's go take it for a drive. Oh man, I'm just holding second gear at 3 grand. You can hear it. Well, the check engine light came on when that happened, so that was interesting. But I made 3 pounds of boost at like 4,000 RPM, and I was not even all the way in the throttle, not even close. Dropped the phone there, got scared. Well, I'm gonna make a nice easy drive home, make sure everything's gonna be good to go, and probably drive it again here a little bit later, get a data log for the tuner so we can get this tune dialed in, and then I think we'll get more video then. So you guys stay tuned.